Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab video with Kailee Wesley because she's fast turning into my bestie collab person on YouTube. And someone who I haven't collabed with before is Val from Makeup Queenie68. Kailee and Val were doing a collab together on a sunset look, and I said, oh, I'm so jealous because they both did beautiful orange looks and orange is my favourite colour, and I said, how would you two like to do a sunrise look with me? And we can do like the difference between sunset and sunrise and have sort of contrasting looks. And luckily they both said yes. They weren't like, oi, what are you doing horning in on our collab? so they were both very open to it, so that's what we're going to do today. So with this look, I am going to base it on a painting that I have done of a sunrise, because where we live, the view from out of our house, most of the house faces the view, and we see the sunrise every morning. Where we go to the beach for our holiday, we see the sunrise in the morning coming up over the water. And I'm going to put in a few photos of some different sunrises mostly from the beach, and I'm going to show you a few of my paintings as well that I've done based on that those photos have inspired. Not those particular ones possibly, some of them yes, some of them no, but different sunrise pictures that I've taken, and some of them are from views from our window at home and some of them are from our campsite. And the one I am doing today, the sunrise that inspired me today, is this one here. So this is obviously a beach one, and it was the yellow and sparkling on the water and things that really inspired me for this painting. And so I want to do a look inspired by this kind of painting. So I have done my eyebrows and I've primed my eyes, and I think I'm going to use my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette and my Beauty 101 palette and my Festival BYS palette and possibly my LA Strobe Light in 60 watt highlighter, and there'll probably be a few other things. Oh, and maybe the Colourpop Super Shock Extreme Shadow in Party Cloudy. And there may be some other things as well that I pull in, but I don't know what they are yet. So, not really sure how I'm going to start. I think I'm going to start with some yellow. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this colour here. And I'm going to put this in my crease. Might be a bit too lemony yellow. What happens if I try and use this yellow out of here? Does it make it less lemony? Then I'm going to go into this colour here, so darker yellow. So I get to see a lot more sunrises than sunsets, where I live. Which I guess is good as if you like getting up early. Does anyone actually like getting up early? I do like getting up early in terms of then my day doesn't seem so short, but getting up, especially at the moment because it's middle of winter here, is not that easy. Especially when it's still dark when you get up. Right. Quite like those colours. Yellow's going a little bit patchy. And I'm getting it all over me because I'm not being very careful. And then I'm going to go into, which one? I think I'll go into this one. And just put that in there to deepen up those areas. I'm going to do a halo eye, which is probably fairly obvious when you saw the picture. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty yellow. Now, because I don't want my yellow to go green, I'm going to use a cotton bud and I'm going to clean up a bit because I want to add some blue and I don't want green. And this is the same issue that you get when you're painting this kind of colour scheme as well. When you don't want to make green, you have to be really careful when you're doing the colours because you don't want them to mix. So now I would have washed all my primer off, so I'll put a bit more primer on. I'm just using my Milani eyeshadow primer. Now if you've been following me at all, you will already know Kailee because I've collabed with her quite a few times and we talk about each other on our channels because she's just a sweetheart and I wish we lived closer so we could actually meet. That would be great, but we don't. And Val, I haven't been following that long. I just discovered her fairly recently, but she seems very fun as well and she loves colourful eye looks and things like me. So now I'm going to go in with, I found my favourite flat brush. It was there all the time, I just was blind and couldn't see it. And I think I'm going to go in with this colour here. So Val does tutorials and she does Get Ready With Me's and she's starting to do a few more collabs and project pen stuff, and she's also going cruelty free, so she's working through that process. She does product reviews and try-ons. And then I'm going to go into this colour here, and I think I need a smaller brush. And just deepen up the outer and the inner. I'm going to go into this really dark blue in here because it's not quite dark enough. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to go in with a bit of my concealer and cut the crease. Okay, that's going blue. That's not what I want. So I'm going to have to have a quite... I'm going to have to change that. I'm going to have to clean that up. And then cut the crease. Because again, as I said, working with yellow and blue, you're going to get green if you're not careful, and I don't want that to be green. So here's what we've got so far. And now I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to go in with this colour and possibly this colour. So I'm going to put that right down, the lightest one right down the middle. One thing about the type of painting that I do, I never have to make things symmetrical normally, so it's a bit of a challenge for me, making things symmetrical. I'm going to go into this sort of shimmery colour here. I think I'm going to try going in with my glitter. I need some glitter glue though. I don't want too much glitter, so I'm going to try going in with a slightly fluffy, flat brush. I'm going to go in with my Focallure, is that the right way? Yep. Liquid eyeshadow in Platinum. I always say that name funny because I can never say it properly. But I want a pointy brush. I'm just going to use one of these, and kind of a silver gold, if that makes any sense. So I sort of want to kind of get that reflection of the sun sparkling on the water as it's coming up. That's the idea anyway. Whether I actually succeed in that is a completely different story. Got my Rimmel Front Stage Wonder Swipe liner, which is a dark blue, kind of slightly sparkly. I'm not doing a wing. And then I'm going to use my Designer Brands gold one in between the blue where the yellow is. And then I'm going to do underneath. I'm going to use my LA Girl Royal Blue pencil to start with. Then I'm going to go back into that dark blue that I used in the outer corner. Put it in this one. This one here. And then I'm going to go in with my Colourpop in Punch and try not to break it because I keep breaking it all the time. That's interesting. Now I can see why it breaks all the time. I wonder if you can see that. That pencil is hollow inside. I have never seen that before. I've been having trouble with it breaking off all the time, but now I can see why, because there's no strength to it, because it's hollow on the inside. Yeah, it's going green. It's mixing with the blue and going green. So I'm going to go and do the rest of my face, put my foundation and things on, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I've got my base on, and I'm going to do something a little weird. I'm going to use this yellow here and try and use that as like a blush. Don't want too much. Because people do yellow blush, don't they? That's perfectly normal. And I'm going to go in with my Chi Immaculate Blush collection and get this side of this one here and just put some of that down the bottom here. I just needed a little bit of orange to make it look a bit better. Sponge. And I'm going to go into my Master Chrome Maybelline in Molten Gold. I'm going to put that on there first. And then I'm going to spray my face, if I can find it, my stuff. Just having palettes in front of me, they're all buried. And just while that's setting a little bit, I'm going to put my mascara on. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl strobe light in 60 watt. And intensify a bit of that highlighter. I'm going to go in with my Midas Touch lipstick from Chi. And I'm going to go into my Rimmel Lip Art in Blush Gold. And here is my sunrise look, and here's my inspiration. So thank you very much, Kailee and Val, for collabing with me in this sunrise look. And I will leave their channels down below, so go and check Val and Kailee out. I really enjoy them, and I'm sure you will too. And thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.